We're down in the southwest England to capture a day's driven sport on Chargot Estate. Before the safety briefing, we catch up with the guns, led by Eley shooter Gerwyn Jones.
We're down at Chargot, we're down here in Somerset, very famous pheasant shoot, high partridge shoot as well. A bunch of mates, we're all down here together, we shoot together a lot, and we're down here for our first day of 2019.
The shooters can expect from Chargot some of the highest pheasants certainly in the West Country and in the country, really, probably worldwide. They'll have tall, high, curling, a lot of curling birds as much as straight birds, great diversity here. You know, we've got many different styles of shooting then, if you like, but we're very fortunate to have fantastic terrain, so we're one step ahead, really.
We're looking for a bag of around about 300, 4 or 5 drives, that's what we normally have, and yeah, pick and choose the good ones.
No, you're not missing it.
The traditional drawing of pegs kicks off proceedings.
Good morning all, good morning all. Welcome to Chargot. Nice to see you here, lovely sunny day you've brought with you. Beautiful. You're all shooting people, so we won't do a long spiel, but obviously leave the birds of prey alone, no ground vermin, and be safe. There's 7 of you shooting today. Should we move up 7? Move up 7. Yeah, that'll be interesting, Caleb. Move up 2. Move up 2, okay? Move up 2, and we'll start the drives on a sound of a hunting horn and finish the drives on a sound of a hunting horn.
Caleb, did I bring the right equipment?
So, absolutely, yes. We do prefer that you use Watsons here, but...
Are we right to left or left to right?
Right to left, sir. Okay? So you can start, my dear.
Thank you.
Deadly silence. Yeah.
What's happened here?
Number 5.
Oh, it's me.
6.
Uno.
Numero 1. 3.
What are you going with?
You've been sampling.
Who's 4? Sonia?
Between me and Tom. Oh, really?
5.
The best conditions for shooting here at Chargot would be overcast skies and a bit of drizzle, actually. They seem to go very well in that, and the best winds for us are usually south-southwesterly. We find that the birds go very well in those conditions. Also, they hold better, you know, they're in the covers and they're more controllable. They are more controllable. Easier for the team to put over the guns. Yeah.
What's the plan?
You okay with the dog?
Yeah, more than, yeah. I'm going to leave my 2 in for the first drive, if not the second, first 2. Quite bright now, isn't it?
It's going to be a bright day.
It is what it is, isn't it?
Right, guys.
We're into January and the birds should be strong on the wing, and the terrain is ideal for providing those legendary high birds. This should be a good drive.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
We're in Magic Combe. First drive of the day, first drive of the year of 2019 at the very famous Chargot. I'm using Parazzi's MX-12s, bog standard, 32-inch, all fixed choke, 42 thou, so not quite super full, in between full and super full. And we're using the Eley Zenith, copper coated, fibre wad, 36 gram 4s. And most of these shoots now, if not all of them, are going fibre wad only. I think the copper coated on the long range stuff gives you a bit of an edge.
Come behind that tree, man.
Damn it all. Didn't see it. No time with that tree, have you?
No.
Stone. Stone dead.
Yeah.
It's dead, isn't it? Hit that.
So was he kept bloody.
That's it. Well done, Sons. Some great shooting up the valley there. Birds running the gauntlet, but some lovely stuff shot. I think there were 2 or 3 really big bird shot up there. We had some nice ones over the trees here. Hit a few, missed a few. But Zeniths crunch them when they hit them, don't they?
Sorry. Sorry.
Very, very fair, isn't it? Very fair.
Now we move on to some more open ground, but again, the undulating valleys mean the birds should be coming high and fast.
Good on, that's in range. Oh, lovely.
They're better ones. But they're not good. That was Melanie's, one of the most famous drives in the West Country. Classic Devon coombe, good 50-60 yard pheasants flying over there over everybody. Nothing straight, slipping, sliding, curling. You hit a few, miss a few, but yeah, just a classic West Country drive. That you don't need any better than that. It's as good as you want.
The guns are ecstatic and you can certainly see why. Time for a break, then back out to another impressive looking drive.
Okay, that's brilliant. Thank you. That's enough. Oh. Sorry. Thank you.
I think you faded me with your left hand that had gone off.
Down now, isn't he?
It's a well orchestrated but short drive, which means we've got time for another.
Last drive of the day, we're on Perseverance, another very well-known drive down at Chargot, and this has been going for a long time round from memory, isn't it?
Yeah, long time.
Long as I've been coming anyway. Great drive, be a lot of partridges and pheasants in this, coming off the bank up there in front of us, and yeah, should be really good. It's a good partridge. lovely. Oh, lovely shot. Hit that. Second out. Yeah, shot, yeah.
There are plenty of birds, but the guns aren't firing madly. They're being selective and picking out challenging but well executed shots.
Very good. Go for James. Yes, that got it. Yeah.
Well then, Gerwyn, how was that?
Awesome. Absolutely fantastic way to finish the day. A lot of partridges and a lot of epic pheasants. Pheasants right on the edge of range. Slipping, sliding, curling. Just, yeah, tremendous. Chargot at its best. Good girl. Come on. Dead. Quick release. Good neck. Very fat. Good girl, Coco. Good girl. Yeah, he's quite happy. Hit a few, missed a few. Some absolutely fantastic birds over us. Using my trusty Parazzis and tight chokes, 32-inch barrels, and the Eley Zenith 36 gram 4 copper coated pure fibre wads. The whole country is now going fibre only. The shooting world is going fibre only. So you know we've got to learn to use these cartridges, and they do the job. They really do. You know, there's you saw today. There were a lot of tall birds today shot stone dead, you know, humanely dispatched, and yeah, the Zenith just do it. You know, the copper coated, I believe, give you an advantage at the longer ranges. They work for me, and a few of my friends are using them as well this year. Quite a few of my friends have started to use them actually, and everybody's delighted with them. And like I said, they're a pure fibre, and they really do the biz.
Oh, exactly. Must try harder. If anyone's worried about ratios, they shouldn't be here. Yeah, they're in the wrong place. Yeah. No. I don't know.
There we go.
Okay, lovely.